Example 1. We add polynomial p sub 1, which is 2x to the 5 plus 6x cubed minus 4x plus 9, to polynomial p sub 2, which is 8x to the 5 plus 7x to the 4 minus 6x cubed minus 4x plus 12. So we add the first polynomial to the second polynomial. Parentheses are not really needed. We underline x to the 5 here and x to the 5 here with the same symbol. We underline x to the 4 with the same symbol but different from the previous one. That's the only term. And then we work with the x cubes and we have the same symbol under those two. And finally the x's and then the constants. Combine like terms, you get 10x to the 5. This is only x to the 4. The x cubes get wiped out. You get negative 8x to the xx, and you get a constant which is 21. Underline like terms with the same symbol. Okay. Example 2. We want to subtract the two polynomials now. The second set of parentheses are crucial. The first set is not needed. So how do I subtract? I never subtract, I add opposites. So subtracting positive 2 is like adding negative 2, adding negative 6, adding positive 4x, and adding negative 9. Again, you underline the like terms with the same symbols. You combine like terms. This time the x cubes do not get wiped out, but the x's do, and the rest is simple. Example 3. Suppose A, B, C, D, and E are supposed to be found if we have the first polynomial plus the second polynomial, which is the sum of the polynomials right here. So what are we doing? We're setting up an equation. We have this polynomial minus that polynomial. You subtract, so you add opposites. Underline like terms with the same symbol. Combine like terms. You have a minus 7x to the 4 plus cx cubed plus 3 minus dx squared plus b minus 10x and 9 minus e as a constant. You must have as many x to the 4th on the left side as you have on the right side. That means that a minus 7 must be the same as negative 2. Or a is equal to 5. C, the coefficient, negative c, the coefficient of x cubed, is 8. So c is negative 8. For x squared, we have 3 minus d, which is equal to 3. So d is 0. For x, we have b minus 10, which is equal to negative 16, or b is negative 16. And for the constants, we have 9 minus e, which is equal to 0, or e is equal to 9. Again, are polynomials useful? You are not appreciating the importance of polynomials at this point. Each monomial in the form of y, which is x to the m, has a certain characteristic which is explored graphically. The combination of polynomials is used to tweak a nice curve as an approximation to collect the data approximations.